Welcome to another airdrop series. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Orbital Finance airdrop. Now, Orbital Finance is a cross-chain bridge that connects you to over 10 blockchains. We have zkSync, Era, zkSync Lite, Polygon, Ethereum, Arbitrum Nova, Loopring, and all of that. So you can actually bridge between these blockchains using Orbital Finance. And the interesting thing is the bridge is actually very cheap and is very fast. So there has been some rumors of airdrop because of their token that will be coming very soon. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to position yourself ahead of this massive airdrop that will be coming. Let's get to the video. Alright, so the next step is to go to orbital.finance. Now you're going to connect your wallet. Click on connect a wallet, click on MetaMask, and click on next connect. So right now, your wallet is connected. You can see my MetaMask wallet right here. If I switch this to the Arbitrum blockchain, we actually sent our Ethereum under the Arbitrum blockchain. We actually did this because we want to avert a lot of Ethereum gas fees because of how expensive it is. For you to send funds to your MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is go to Binance, KuCoin, or Bybit, and you buy ETH. When you buy ETH, now send that ETH down to your MetaMask wallet using the Arbitrum blockchain. Once you do that, this money will reflect in your MetaMask account. If you don't have a Binance, Bybit, or KuCoin account, I left my link in the description. Make sure to use that to create an account. So I'll go back to Orbital Finance. I'm going to change this, switch this to Arbitrum 1, and I'll change this to zkSync Era. So right here, you can see my balance is already showing. So I just click on max. I want to send everything I have, all of the Ethereum I have in my Arbitrum blockchain down to my zkSync Era. So I'll click on send, and then I'll click on confirm. So there's going to be a drop down from MetaMask, which shows me that I'm going to pay a gas fee of $0.24, and the total amount that will go to zkSync is about $197.51. So I'll click on confirm, and it is sending. So let's give it some minutes to go through. Alright, you can see that our money has moved from Arbitrum blockchain down to zkSync Era. So if I go back to my MetaMask, you can see that on my Arbitrum blockchain, under Arbitrum, I only have $1.94, and then let me switch this to zkSync, and you can see I have $1.95. Alright, so you can see that our transaction here was successful. What I will do is to go back, and I'll just go back completely. And right now, I'm going to continue to bridge as much as possible. So I'll switch this to zkSync Era, where I have the money, and switch this to Arbitrum. I'll try as much as possible to avoid Ethereum because of the high gas fees that comes with that. So right now, I can also switch this to, let's say, optimism, but let's try Arbitrum first of all. I'm going to bridge 0.04 Ethereum from zkSync Era down to Arbitrum. So I'll click on send, and I'll click on confirm. And you can see the transaction fee is about $1.34. I'll click on confirm. So I'll give this some minutes for this to go through. So you can see completed. So our Ethereum has been moved to Arbitrum. So I'll go back again, and I'll switch this to, let's say, optimism. I'm going to try to maintain between zkSync, optimism, Arbitrum, and maybe immutable X because of cheaper fees that comes with it. But if you switch this to Stacknet, you can see that Stacknet is quite low and the gas fee is insane. So I try as much as possible to avoid it. If you have some Matic token in your MetaMask wallet, you can go ahead to bridge to Polygon too, so that when you're bridging from Polygon down to another blockchain, so you have some Matic tokens to pay for transaction fees. If not, your Ethereum will be stuck in the Polygon blockchain. So let me go back, and I'll put in the amount I want to bridge. So let's say I want to bridge everything. I'll click on send, switch, then I'll click on confirm and send. And there's a gas fee of $0.55, which is quite small. I'll click on confirm. So we'll give it some seconds for this to go through. Alright, so you can see that this is successful. So we can go back. Now you can do this as many times as possible, but one thing I will encourage you is don't do it at once. You can do like 5 times today, and then you can come back tomorrow and then do it 5 times again, and just continue it like that. Don't do all of it at once. It might create some suspicion that you're just coming for the airdrop. Do it like a user. Now the second step is to go to guild.xyz/ Orbiter Finance. Now once you come here, you click on Connect Wallet. You click on MetaMask. Now next is to verify your account. Click on it and click on Sign. Now the next thing to do is click on Join Guild and click on Join. Alright, so you can see that I have successfully joined. You can see you have access to this. Okay, so the next option is Flying Alien. So you actually need to show that you're a loyal follower by putting this on your username. So I'm going to just click on it. It's going to copy, go to your Twitter and then paste this right away and save it. Once you do that, go back and click on follow them and also turn on notification. Then when you come back, give it some time. This should show that you have access to it once they've confirmed that. Now the next option is Trainee Pilot. It's showing you must have done 3 to 9 transactions for you to have access to this. You go back to Orbiter Finance and let's check our history to see that we've done up to 3 transactions. So I think all of the transactions are not showing so far. Just one of the transactions we did, which was the one we did to ZK Sync Era. Initially, it's the one showing. So we'll give them some time for the 3, because I've actually done 3 transactions already. So we'll give them some time for them to update it. And once it's updated, it is going to reflect here that you've done up to 3 transactions. I will recommend that you do much more than 3 transactions. You can see when we go down for pilot level, you need to have completed 10 to 49 transactions. And for elite level, you need to complete 50 to 99 transactions. And for expert level, 100 to 499. Well, for me, this is where I actually stopped, because this whole thing is money you're spending. But you actually know it's worth it. Because when the airdrop comes, it might be worth it. If you don't have so much, even if it's this first level, you are 3 to 9, it is very fair, it is very fine. You don't need to spend all of your money on just one particular airdrop. And you can see that the allowed list is updated once a week, that's on Monday. So once you've done all of this and it have actually checked, then that is fine. Even if this one does not check, it means you've not done you've not done up to that more than these 49 transactions. So do not be scared. At least once you've checked the first, second, third, and maybe the fourth, then I think you're good to go. Even if it's this third one you've checked, I think that's very fine. Alright guys, so this is how to position yourself for the Orbiter Finance airdrop. If you enjoyed videos like this, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. It is very, very important. If you want to find out how to position yourself for the Sync Swap airdrop, then click here to watch now.